The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus 5G is an upcoming smartphone that combines impressive specifications at an affordable price point. It features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals for gaming and video playback. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, complemented by 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps and media. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual rear camera setup, which includes a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, capable of recording videos in 4K at 30 frames per second. For selfies, there's a 16MP front-facing camera that supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. The smartphone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W wired charging, allowing for a full charge in approximately 40 minutes. Running on Android 15 with XOS 15, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus 5G offers a clean and user-friendly interface. Expected to be priced around $220 globally, it offers a compelling mix of performance and features for budget-conscious consumers.